What's up, guys? Findo Hooks out here. Another day in Oregon, another day of fishing. Well, first off, happy holidays. Make sure everyone's staying safe out there. And today we're actually out here at one of the local ponds around my neighborhood, and I'm pretty much out here just trying to practice my fly casting before I actually head out to some nearby rivers and creeks. Throughout the whole time I've been kind of researching some spots to go about. I've talked to some of the people at the fly shops over there at Cabela's, and they gave me a few suggestions, and going to some of the local sportsman warehouses and kind of noting at their boards which spots are pretty good for trout right now. So I'm probably gonna head over to some of those locations and try out some nymph fly fishing. It's kind of what I'll be practicing here today. These ponds over here are pretty much stocked with trout. I'm not sure if COVID has affected the stocking schedule or anything like that, but as far as I know, they've been stocked, and there might be some trout still holding here from all the other times they've been stocking it. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna be out here casting out. This is day one. Throughout the whole Thanksgiving weekend, I'm gonna try to be heading out every day and basically do something with casting and whatnot. Today I pretty much just came around this spot that was close to where I live, just so I can head back and be there for Thanksgiving with the family and whatnot. So see where this takes us, guys. We're going for that one. See if there's any rainbow still here. Alright, guys, so we made it over to the first pond over here where I'm going to cast out. I know this is the main one that they tend to stock with trout. And further down, I know there's a spot where they tend to kind of bite. That's where I actually caught one of my biggest fish over here, so I'm gonna go over there, set up the fly, cast out, and if they don't bite here, I might just walk around and cast around to the far end over there. There's multiple ponds here, and it's a great place just to kind of come out and cast. Yeah, guys, so I had the GoPro off and I was just kind of practicing a little bit, but looks like this little guy got foul hooked on one of the flies. Nice little guy, but gotta get this hook off his gills and get him back in the water. There you go. Peace out, little guy. Alright, well, a bite's a bite, right? Let's keep on casting. Alright, guys, got a second bite over here. Looks like it's another little sunfish. They're fun to catch, but not what I'm aiming for. Oh yeah, look at that hook right under that lip. Alright, little guy, let's get you unhooked. Alright, got him on hook. Peace out, little guy. Thanks for the fight. So let's land ourselves a trout. Alright guys, well, time's up, heading back home. Didn't get a bite anywhere else around the ponds, but from the looks of it, everyone else is pretty much having the same luck. No bites today. But like I said, I'll be heading out throughout the whole Thanksgiving weekend, so tomorrow I'll see you at another location, and it's gonna be somewhere out in a forest, so see if anything bites over there. Alright guys, day 2. We're over here at river by Tillamook Forest. Got the flies and everything set up already. Got the fly rod going. Just casting out. Hopefully we'll get a bite here. This is looking beautiful. Alright guys, I've been casting out in this area probably for like a good 15-20 minutes, and I don't know how it's looking over here. As a new fly fisherman, I can't really tell when the indicator is going down because of the current, or if it's going down because I actually got a bite. And from coming here in the past, I know that under the bridge going down this way over here, there's a lot better area, a lot calmer, and I think it'll be better just for my kind of level of expertise when it comes to casting out the fly. I've seen fish jump over there as well. I came here about 2 weeks ago with a few friends when we went crabbing to Tillamook. We stopped by, cast it out here for a bit. No luck on the bites, but we did see a few jump over there. So with that being said, I think I'm just gonna head over there, cast out a little longer, hang out with Spunk over here, and hopefully we'll get a bite. If not, again, right now I'm just trying to get experience, learn better casting techniques, get a little bit used to different currents and whatnot. So either way, it'll be a win-win. We'll have an adventure, and we'll see what tomorrow brings, or what today brings. Hopefully we'll get a few bites. Let's go. Alright, water's looking a lot better over here, a lot calmer. It's not as rapidy as the other side. Honestly, it might be better for me just to be able to tell if the fly's, not the fly, the indicator's going down because of a bite or something else. Alright guys, well, we cast that out for about, honestly, an hour or so around this spot. Saw the fish jumping, but to be honest with you, just due to my lack of knowledge with casting and whatnot, I just couldn't cast the spot where the fish were actually jumping. I'm not sure if you can see it now, pretty dark, but they're pretty much a good 400, 500 feet from where I was casting. And with my lack of practice with fly fishing and whatnot, like that was just a little too far for me. So tomorrow I'm gonna be heading over to an area where I know there'll be a few small creeks. It might be better to my fly fishing level. And so right there, I want to be casting out and hopefully a few trout bite. The Thanksgiving weekend is almost to a close, so I'm still gonna be out there and trying my best to land something on this fly, something bigger than a bluegill at least. And yeah, let's see where this goes, guys. Heading out, and let's see what day 3 brings. Peace out. All right, guys. P&W Hookset, day 3 over here, and basically went to another small river that I knew was about an hour away from Salem. I've had luck here in the past with catching trout. I just done it with regular lures, so we'll see what happens today with the fly. Might be nice to land one for today. So let's see where this takes us, and let's land some. Oh yeah, buddy. All right, guys, let's cast out and see if any of these guys bite. Oh, there we go. Oh, fella got away. Whew. Felt good though, hooking into one. All right, guys, now I know where they're biting. Let's get back to it. Oh, it's a big boy. Yes. Yeah, buddy. Look at that view. Look at that right on top right there as well. Nice. Oh, come on, come on. Take it easy, take it easy. Alright. Look at that view. Ooh, that's a big boy. Alright, fella. Okay. Catch you later. Appreciate that fight. Woo. Oh yeah. That fly fight is no joke. It's fun. Let's get back to it and get a few more, guys. Hell yeah. Alright guys, we caught ourselves a beautiful trout over there. Right now I'm trying to decide if I should go further down south the road over here and check out a trailhead I've been noticing whenever I come over here. There's supposed to be a creek that runs through there. So I'm wondering if that creek itself might hold some fish. But right now I'm thinking of heading back to the car and then from there kind of regrouping and seeing where else we can go. But yeah, guys, awesome bite. Can't complain about that being my first trout bite with a fly. So we'll see where this adventure take us. So let's see where this goes. Alright guys, well, ended up coming over to that area for that trail that I mentioned, but it looks like the gate is pretty much closed right on it as well. So I'm just gonna head back home. Maybe along the way I'll stop by and maybe cast out in one of those rivers that are around there. The Willamette basically runs through some of the areas I'll be passing through, so maybe I'll cast around and see if I'll catch any bass or anything. But besides that, hey, great day. Got my first fish on the fly. That was sweet. Sweet, awesome trout. Not sure what kind it is. I'm not sure if it's a brook trout or a rainbow trout or a cutthroat, but beautiful fish. Pretty big, 12 plus inches I'd say. But yeah guys, heading back, and maybe I'll cast out in a few other spots, and if not, hey, I'll catch you later.